Today, I'll walk you through how to set up fixed asset settings in Xero, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to configure your fixed assets so you can efficiently manage your business's financial records. Let's get started by signing into your Xero account. Once you're in, navigate to the top menu. This is like your dashboard's control center. Click on Accounting and then select Fixed Assets. This will open up the Fixed Asset Settings page where all the magic happens. Now take a moment to review the available asset settings and configuration options. Think of this page as your toolkit. It contains everything you need to manage your fixed assets effectively. Here, you can adjust asset types, set up depreciation settings, and customize other fixed asset preferences to align with your business needs. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Xero often updates its interface to improve user experience. It's totally normal if this takes a moment to get used to. As you explore the options, consider your business requirements. This is like tailoring a suit. You want it to fit perfectly. Whether you're managing office equipment or company vehicles, ensure that the settings reflect your specific needs. Once you've made the necessary adjustments, remember to save any changes. This step is crucial. Think of it as hitting the lock button to secure your settings in place. And there you have it. That's how to set up fixed asset settings in Xero. By following these steps, you're ensuring that your financial records are accurate and up to date, which is essential for any successful business. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.